Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very different one. I am going to be reviewing the L'Oreal Micro Tattoo Brow Artist. This little beauty right here is meant to give you the illusion that you've just had the microbladed procedure done, but obviously without breaking your pocket and going through the pain. As you can see, it actually mimics the blade. I purchased this the other day from Stwfblog. I believe it's currently on promotion. I actually bought it for $5.99, but I think it's gone up to $7.99. The original price is actually $9.99. I actually did have my microbladed procedure done 8 months ago, as you can see. I will put the link of the video right there somewhere, so you can see the procedure. But obviously as time goes by, the microblade, the procedure or the treatment just kind of fades away a little bit. So I thought, why not, you know, try and see what the hype is about this. It's a felt tip looking mouth, and I think this will be really good for precision, which it does say that as well. So micro precise felt tip pen, felt tip brown pen, and it's meant to be long lasting. I actually did try this out. I wore it the other day and it was smudge proof and it lasts longer as well. And one thing I actually like about it is because it actually it gives you a natural brow look rather than the harsh looking brow look. So I'm gonna try this out and show you guys how it works, and we'll see whether you guys agree it's worth the hype or not. Okay, so this is what my brows look like on a normal day without makeup or without nothing. Okay, I think it's really good because obviously the way I start my eyebrows, I always start by drawing a line at the bottom, and I think this is really good because it's quite flat. You can really get into where you want it to go to. Can you see some difference there? Okay, so now we're going to start. Because the microblading procedure, you just kind of like draw lines. So I'm just going to draw lines upward. Okay, I can definitely see some difference. You can see it has some fine definition. Okay. Okay, it's very quick to respond and it looks so natural. Yeah, you can definitely tell the difference. So I'm gonna do the top bit there. Right. I like the fact that it looks like I haven't done my eyebrows, but it looks very natural, but you can barely see the product. Obviously you can see that there's something there, but you know, with pomade and eyebrow pencil you can still see the residue, but this comes out in a liquid form, almost like a watercolor. So when you go onto the skin, it kind of absorbs into the skin. Okay, so I'm going to do the smudge proof test once it's dry, and while we're doing, I'm going to move on to the next one. But as you can see, you can tell the difference from this eyebrow, which is ready, and this one. Okay, so I'm going to let this dry and I'm going to move on to the next one. Again, I always start by drawing a line. Okay, you know, we all have that eyebrows where no matter what we do, no matter how patient we are, it always gets messed up regardless. This is my not so good eyebrows. Okay, so I've drawn my line, so I'm going to go ahead and just do a slight stroke. Okay, as you can see, the definition is coming on. I'm going to do the top bit as well. So this just goes to show that even with you having done the microblading procedure, you can actually still use this as a top up. Oh wow, that's a very big difference. Yeah, I like it. It looks very natural, not too harsh. I am going to go over with my concealer at the bottom, but I'm going to do that in a bit. But I really do like this. I'm just going to go over it a little bit more. Okay, I love the precision of it. You literally go into where you want, what area you want. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I'm sure this is dry now, so I'm going to do the smudge proof to let you guys know whether or not it is smudge proof. Okay, there's nothing there, absolutely. For like everyday wear, this is a good product, I think. For me, when I'm going out on a night out, I would want something that stands out a lot more. But I don't know, I think this kind of stands out. I think this kind of stands out too. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to go over and clean it up with my concealer. Not that you even need to clean up with your concealer, but just for the sake of it, I'm going to do it. I'm going to go over the lines with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige. Okay. Also always doing the line. I will be uploading a video on how I do my everyday eyebrows with the microblading procedure. I do have one, but that's like an old version of me doing my eyebrows, because obviously, you know, every year there's always a new technique of eyebrows, of ways to do your eyebrows. So I will be doing an updated tutorial on that. Okay, so just use my hand to just clean it out. And look at that. I'm going to do the other one as well. Too much product. This is my struggle brows. My struggle brows. I really struggle with this side. I think in general I struggle with this side. Even when it comes to my eyeshadow, I really struggle. I'm going to try to not mess it up. Okay, so that is the full look. Obviously I haven't got my foundation on or anything. I am not going to be doing that for this video. I just wanted to show you guys, you know, the product and how it sits on the skin and how it actually works on the brow as well. It was worth the hype or not. Well, I think it's actually worth the hype because, for one, it is definitely smudge proof. It is definitely smudge proof. It doesn't come off at all. And it's meant to last 24 hours, hence why it is smudge proof. And I did put it to the test the other day, and it definitely passed the test. I think for what it's worth is definitely, it's a good, I recommend it, definitely. I will be going to get a new one so it doesn't sell out. And the color I bought is in Ebony 109. I think that's the darkest. It comes in 6 colors, so from blonde to dark. So I think Ebony would be good for my dark skin sisters, for women of color. So yeah, definitely. Yeah, it looks very natural. Looks like there's barely anything there. Obviously you can see the concealer, but it is a very good consistency. It is a very good coverage, and it's not too harsh. Definitely great for everyday wear. I think it's actually one of the most easiest brow brow product I've ever actually used. I think compared to my Wonder Brow Gel, this is actually a very cheaper option, because this is like the full price without discount or promotion is $9.99, but compared to Wonder Brow is like £20. It's meant to be smudge proof, and that's meant to last for 3 days. Where this doesn't last for 3 days, this actually lasts for 24 hours. But who wants the eyebrows to last for 3 days? I don't think I really want to wash my face thoroughly, so unless it's tattooed on, I don't really want any product on my face for 3 days. But this is a great substitute and a cheaper option, so I'll definitely recommend this. I like it. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Yeah, if not a 10 out of 10 actually, because I need something that doesn't smudge through the day, and this actually doesn't smudge through the day. If you've tried the L'Oreal Micro Tattoo Brow, I have to say it is a very long name. I have to literally say it slowly so I don't say something wrong, but I'm gonna try again. The Micro Tattoo Brow Artist. If you've tried it, and let me know what you think. Comment below and let me know what you think. What shade you got, what color did you go for, and what are your thoughts about it? And would you prefer the actual microblading procedure, or would you stick to this budget, easy to use, non-commitment one? Right guys, thank you very much for watching. Before you go, if you haven't subscribed and you did watch the video to the end, please make sure you subscribe to the button. It's just right there, and press the bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload videos. So thank you very much for watching once again. I will see you in my next video. Thanks, bye bye.